Hi everyone, this is Zoey from Newindu International Company. Glad to have this opportunity to introduce SEM919 motor grader for you today. Come with me please. SEM919 motor grader is manufactured by SEM brand, a wholly owned subsidiary of Caterpillar. Use the same Caterpillar technology, comes with great quality and strong power. Total machine weight is 15,000 kilograms. Length of this blade is 3,974 millimeters. This one is equipped with front blade and rear ripper. This motor grader is standard equipped with Shangchai engine, 190 horsepower, can support you to work in different conditions. Let's see the cab. This closed cab is 1.9 meter height and has 30% larger space than most competitors, and is standard with air conditioner. Provides exceptional comfort when operating in summer or winter. That will be today's presentation of this motor grader. If you want to know more detailed configuration or have needs of other construction machinery, please feel free to contact me. Bye.